Kawhi Leonard versus Cleveland Cavaliers. Grabe to mga idol, parang vintage daklo ang nasaksihan ng crowd. This is a very high scoring game between the LA Clippers and the Cleveland Cavaliers, ang number 1 team sa NBA. To open up the first quarter, Max Strus with the back-to-back triple. Nagbabalik for LA ang kanilang leading scorer ngayong season na si Norman Powell with 23.4 points per game. It's a battle between the claw Kawhi Leonard versus Spida Mitchell. Sagutan pa ng 3-pointer ang dalawang superstar. Last 2 minutes ng first quarter, nagpaulan ng 4 na magkakasunod na tres ang LA Clippers habang 3 naman ang binitawan sa labas ng Cleveland Cavaliers, 45-37. Parang hindi first quarter mga idol ang score. 8-point lead for the Cleveland Cavaliers. To start the second quarter, mainit pa rin sa labas ang LA Clippers. Nagdagdag pa sila ng 5 magkakasunod na tres. 2 ay nanggaling kay Kawhi Leonard. In 9 minutes stretch, nagtala ng 9 straight 3-pointers ang home team. First time din makalamang ng LA Clippers, 52-51. Still high scoring game, 73-68 at the half in favor of Cavs. 15 points for DeAndre Hunter, 15 points din naman si James Harden. Third quarter, bumabalik yata ang prime Kawhi Leonard mga idol. Napa-take over si The Claw. In full display ang kanyang arsenal, mapa mid-range, 3-pointer, and inside the restricted area, dinodomina niya mga idol ang Cavs. Lamang na rin ng LA Clippers, 85-83 after ng bucket na to ni Kawhi Leonard, 22 points and counting. Ito yung healthy Kawhi Leonard, very aggressive sa kanyang mga shot selection. Para naman sa Cleveland Cavaliers, it's a total team effort led by Max Strus, 24 points. Though nakapagtala ng double-digit scoring si Donovan Mitchell, maalat ang kanyang shooting below 30% lamang. Bukod sa pag-take over ni Kawhi Leonard, solid din ang performance ng kanilang big man na si Ivica Zubac dito sa third quarter. Meron ng 22 points mga idol ang 7-footer. 4 minutes, Kawhi Leonard again with the turnaround floater mga idol, napakalayo nun. Nagtala pa ng 4 straight points si James Harden mga idol, papatapos ang third quarter, 20 na rin for the Beard. 106-102, 4-point lead for Clippers. Fourth quarter, still hot si Kawhi Leonard. Sa pang player mula sa Clippers ang nakapagtala ng 20 mga idol, si Bogdan Bogdanovic. Umabot ng double digit ang lamang ng LA Clippers. Sinusubukan pa ng Cleveland Cavaliers na makambak ang home team. 3 minutes, Kawhi Leonard missed shot pero andon si Ivica Zubac for the follow-up dunk. Last 2 minutes mga idol, Kawhi Leonard again, turn around fadeaway jumper and a 3-point basket. Tinapos niya ang Cleveland Cavaliers. Second straight loss mga idol for the Cavs and a win naman for LA Clippers. Naitabla ni Daklo ang kanyang season high 33 points with 7 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals lang naman. Aside from Kawhi Leonard, monster night din for Ivica Zubac, 28 points, 20 rebounds, 22 points for Harden, 20 points for Bogdan Bogdanovic. Perfect 8 out of 8. Malapit na magsimula ang NBA playoffs, patuloy ang pamimigay ng 1xBet ng 12,000 pesos bonus. Nasa comment section ng link at promo code. Isang mahigpit na paalala, keep it fun and gamble responsibly.